My exhaust tips are actually stainless, but I haven't washed these things out in about a year. They're just so black, corroded, filled with all that exhaust grime. I'm gonna spray them, and hopefully everything will be straight. These things will be back to stainless look. So guys, I'm trying a new trick out. This right here, oven cleaner, dollar store, bam. Hopefully it's gonna do the trick. Let that do the trick. This is about a half hour after I sprayed the exhaust. Just took an old water bottle and I'm gonna just pour and see what happens. Oh yeah, stuff is just coming right on off. You can still see all the black grime, but damn! Actually, take a look at this one. See all that black grime? Just washing right away. Oh yeah, baby. I'll be back. Scrub it up with my hand a little bit. Spray some more water. I'm clean, ready to go. It worked. Well, after applying the oven cleaner for a second time, here we have it. It looks good. Back to normal now. Maybe it was an exaggeration. I said a year. That was the last time these were clean, but definitely like 9 months ago. So it was almost a year.